Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your investment strategy with Pfizer stocks.
Research Pfizer's historical performance. Analyze Pfizer's recent news and updates. Review the fundamentals of the company. Examine its earnings reports for insights into revenue and profit.
Consider the company's pipeline for new drugs and treatments.
Evaluate the competitive landscape in the pharmaceutical industry. Monitor economic indicators that may impact the stock market.
Identify your investment goals and risk tolerance.
Determine the percentage of your portfolio to allocate to Pfizer. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose between a one-time investment or dollar-cost averaging.
Place your order for Pfizer stock through your brokerage platform.
Set up alerts for significant news or price changes related to Pfizer. Regularly review and assess your investment strategy. Adjust your holdings based on market conditions and company performance. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice. Stay informed about healthcare trends that could affect Pfizer.
Plan for long-term holding to maximize potential gains.
Be prepared for volatility and have a strategy for downturns. Document your investment rationale for future reference.
Continuously educate yourself about investing in Pfizer's role in your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.